Toyota Crown SUV. Toyota has been pushing boundaries with the Crown nameplate, and the Crown SUV is a testament to the brand's commitment to luxury and performance. The Toyota Crown SUV merges premium styling with hybrid efficiency, making it one of the most refined SUVs in its segment. Its exterior boasts a sleek yet aggressive design, with sharp LED headlights, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic contours. It stands out with its elevated stance and dynamic wheel designs, ensuring an imposing road presence. Under the hood, the Toyota Crown SUV is powered by a hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with electric motors for a seamless blend of power and fuel efficiency. With an estimated 340 horsepower, it delivers robust acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Toyota's E4 advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior grip and stability, making it an excellent choice for all weather conditions. Inside, the Crown SUV is nothing short of opulent. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including soft leather, genuine wood accents, and ambient lighting. A massive touchscreen infotainment system sits at the heart of the dashboard, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, enhance safety. Toyota has also focused on rear passenger comfort, offering spacious seating with heated and ventilated options. The panoramic sunroof creates an airy atmosphere, and the premium JBL sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Overall, the Toyota Crown SUV is a luxurious hybrid SUV that blends efficiency, innovation, and upscale comfort, making it a compelling option for those who want sophistication with sustainability.